Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update your Armoury Crate on ASUS ROG Xbox Li X. First, open the Armoury Crate application by pressing the dedicated button right here. Then select Open Armoury Crate SE. Next, go to Update Center from the Settings tab. Make sure that you have Automatic Essential Update switched on. Then tap Check for updates and wait for your device. Okay. Make sure that you have an internet connection, of course. And then, in order to update the essential application, you have to tap Update here. And in order to update your components, later tap Update All. At some point, your device might want to restart itself. Then you're just gonna have to tap Restart on your screen and wait until it's rebooted. Once the UWP app and core service are up to date and all the device and components are up to date, your Armoury Crate application is fully updated. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.